In this video, we are going to learn how to save inbox contact details to Google Sheets. So the idea here is that you are using an email marketing platform that is Inbox. Now you want that whenever you add a new contact to your email marketing platform, automatically the same contact details should be added to your Google Sheets. For that, you need to integrate Inbox with Google Sheets. So here your trigger application would be Inbox and your action application would be Google Sheets. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. To integrate Inbox with Google Sheet, first we need to log into pabbly.com, and here we can see two options, that is sign in and sign up for free. So now if you're a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you're going to get free tasks every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, select Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Inbox to Google Sheets integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever you add a new contact to your inbox, automatically the contact details should be saved to your Google Sheets. So let's integrate Inbox with Pabbly Connect first. So open this trigger window, choose the application name as Inbox over here. Select the trigger event as contact added. Now we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Inbox account. Let's copy this webhook URL from here. I'll just take you to my Inbox account. So this is my Inbox dashboard. Okay, on the left hand side, we have to just come down to settings, click on it. And here we can find webhooks option. Click on webhooks. And here we are going to add a new webhook. For that, click on this plus sign, create webhook. Now here we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And here we have to select the trigger as contact added. And here we have to give the description. So let us give the description as new contact. Okay, I'm just giving a random description. And let's click on save. So here we can see the operation was completed successfully and a new webhook is saved over here. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that a webhook response is received. This is the test response that we have received. Okay. Now to capture the actual response, we have to just click on recapture webhook response button. Do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on yes. And now here it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to actually create a new contact in our Inbox account. So for that, I have already created a subscriber form over here. So whenever this form will be filled, automatically a new contact will get created over here in my contact section into a specific list. Okay, and the list name is Pabbly Connect, where you can see I don't have any contacts over here. So let's create a new contact by filling up this form. First name as demo, last name as name, and email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. Okay, and let's click on save. The form was successfully saved. Okay, now let's check our Inbox contact list. We have to just refresh it. And here we have got number of contacts as 1. And here we can find the contact details as demo@pabblytudes.com. First name as demo, last name as name itself. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And when we scroll down, we can find the responses received and the same details are captured over here. We can find the email address of the new contact as demo@pabblytudes.com. Here we have got the contact list ID, contact ID, and created date and time, okay, and other details also. But here we haven't got the contact details, that is the first name and the last name. So to retrieve those details, scroll down, come to this action window, and here again choose the application name as Inbox. Select the action event as get contact. It is going to retrieve a contact via email address or via ID. Okay, let's click on connect. Click on add new connection. And here you have to enter the username and the password of your Inbox account. And simply click on save to create a connection. As I have already created a connection, I'll just choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll click on save. And now the inbox account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the email address whose details we want to retrieve. So here we have already got the email address details from the trigger response. So let us map this email address now. So let's come to the inbox trigger response, and from here let us map the email address and click on save and send test request. So here we can see the responses received, and when we scroll down we can find the first name of the contact as demo and the last name as name itself. So now we want these details to be added to our Google Sheet. Okay, I'll show you the Google Sheet also. The Google Sheet name is inbox, sheet name is new subscribers, and here I want the details to be added, that is the first name, last name and the email address. So let us link this particular Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. Let's come to Pabbly Connect, come to this plus sign, add action step, and here let us choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the action event as add new row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Sheets. Now it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect Sheets. So I'm just going to choose my account from here, and now it is asking for the access. So let's click on continue to give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that I have created in my Google Sheet account. So here we are going to select the spreadsheet that we have already created named inbox. Okay, so it is automatically selected. And here you can see that the sheet name is also automatically selected just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. If you have created multiple sheets, from the drop down select your specific sheet name. Now here it is asking for the first name, last name and email address, the details that needs to be entered in these columns. So let us map the details from the actions response over here. First name was demo, last name again from get contact action response, that was name, and here we'll be mapping the email address. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. It means the details are added. Let's check our Google Sheets. And here we can see the first name added as demo, last name as name and email address as demo@pabblytunes.com. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now here we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, whenever the form is filled and a new contact is added to your inbox account, automatically the details will be added to your Google Sheet. So now let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to the form once again. And here we are going to enter the details on the name of some other subscriber. So let's give the first name as dummy, last name as contact, and email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com. Okay, and now let's click on save. Your form has been successfully saved. Let's check the inbox account first. And here we can see a new contact added, dummy@pabblytunes.com. First name as dummy, last name as contact. Let us check our Google Sheets also. Okay, and here we can see that first name as dummy added over here, last name as contact, and here we can find this email address also. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Inbox and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new contact is added, automatically details are captured in Pabbly Connect. Then we have added an action step of Inbox to get the contact details just because we have got the email address in the trigger response. So to capture the first name, last name and other details, we have added this action step. And then using these contact details, we have added a new data to our Google Sheets. And in this way, we have learned that how we can integrate Inbox with Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.